This is a super easy way to try out free products. You literally don't have to do anything. And when I tell you guys, it is a full-on PR package. Like, this looks like what the big YouTubers get. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. Today I'm coming to you live, super cozy. Well, not live, but you know what I mean. I'm coming to you guys super cozy in my bed to talk to you guys about getting free PR products. Now, companies send out PR to their discretion, you know. They send it out to the influencers that they think will post it or show it off really good or whatever the case may be. And a lot of people think that in order to receive PR or get free beauty products to try for your channel or for your Instagram or whatever it is just to try out, you think that you have to have a bunch of subscribers or a bunch of followers or this like big social platform in order to do so. And it's just not true. I've done a video talking about this before, but I'm gonna remake it because clearly a lot of you guys don't know how I do this. Like, I get PR sent to me maybe once a month, once every 2 months, and full-size free products. And I've been doing this since I had around like 400 subscribers. So like, it's not because of my following or anything like that. A regular old person can get in on this. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it. Let's get right into the video. So basically, how I get my free PR products is through a website called Influenster, and I'm gonna pull it up for you guys so you can see it on the screen. So let's just go through how you sign up for Influenster and like what you need to do to get a Vox box, which is what they call it. So the first thing you're gonna do is download the Influenster app. It's super easy. It doesn't take up a lot of space on your phone. I have it on my phone as well. So make sure you download the app. And then you're gonna sign up for your account and you're gonna fill out the profile. This is like super duper important because what you put on your profile will dictate what type of campaigns you get picked to participate in. So fill out your profile as completely and as accurately as possible. And the more information that you provide them, the better they will be able to pick you. So make sure you fill out everything super accurately. And also upload a profile picture so that they can see what you look like, etc., etc. Make sure you're using a pretty good quality picture of yourself because obviously if you look good, you'll be more likely to be picked for certain, you know, campaigns, etc., etc. And periodically they'll be sending you snaps, which are like little questionnaires to help get more information about you. Make sure you're filling these out because like I said, the more information that they have about you, the better, because then they'll be easier. It'll be easier for them to pick you. You know, like the more information you give, the more you'll get back. So yeah, then you're gonna go ahead and connect all of your social media accounts. Your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, your Twitter, your Tumblr, your Pin, like all of that stuff. You're gonna link all of that stuff to your account because it's gonna show your influence. It's gonna quantify all of the individual people that follow you on all of your platforms and compile it to gauge your, you know, your influence, your amount of impact. And the last thing you have to do is fill out your reviewer profile. This is that like survey that I was talking about that has a bunch of questions like your hair type, your hair color, your hair texture, what type of makeup do you use, your skin tone, oily, dry, combination, like all of that type of stuff is in this. And this is like one of the major keys to getting picked because you want to put this as accurately as possible because you don't want to get picked for campaigns that you don't want anything to do with. Like if I don't wear regular nail polish, obviously I don't want to be sent a regular nail polish. You guys know I do gel manicures only, so there would be no point for me to test out a regular nail polish because for what? You know, you want to get things that are relevant to you. That's why it behooves you to be super accurate when you're filling out these surveys. Like, don't just agree that you like certain things that you wouldn't use just because you want it for free, because like that's dumb. But like I said, anybody can get stuff. I got stuff when I had 300 subscribers, which is like nothing. So yeah, say for instance it's a curly hair product. they'll specifically go to all the people who have curly hair, because obviously they're not going to send it to someone who has straight hair, because what are they supposed to do with that, you know? So they choose you. You'll get an email and it'll say you've been selected to participate in the next box, and you click the link and it'll take you to another survey where it'll ask you a couple of questions, maybe like 5 to 10 questions specifically about the next upcoming campaigns. So in my last survey, it asked me about my hair type, it asked me about my skin color, it asked me about lipstick, it asked me like a bunch of questions, and based on the questions you can kind of determine, they're probably doing a concealer, or they're probably doing a curling cream or something like that, and they're trying to decide whether or not you would be a good fit. So based on the last survey, they sent me this. Now this is the Garnier Fructis Curl Treats Leave-In Stylers. And when I tell you guys, it is a full-on PR package. Like, this looks like what the big YouTubers get, and I'm a fetus on here. So, you know, you get 2 full-size products. This is a Garnier Fructis Curl Treat Butter Hydrating Cream for normal to coarse hair, which is why they sent this to me, because in the survey they specifically asked me if I had like kinky, coarse, curly hair, and you would select which one matches you. Obviously this product is catered to my hair texture, so that is why they sent me this. So this is the Butter Hydrating Cream, and they also sent me a full size of the Jelly Shaping. Now look at these guys, like I can't make this up. These are full size curl products, and some of the other products that I've gotten in the past, I've gotten a Kat Von D lipstick, I've gotten, what was it, the Diva Curl Leave-In Detangler, full size products. Remember, these are expensive items. Diva Curl is really expensive, and I was able to get that for free. What else have they sent me? The new Katy Perry perfume, I was able to try that. So basically, you'll get an email saying that you've been selected to participate in the next box, and then you'll answer the survey, filling out a bunch of questions related to whatever they're trying to send out. And then back in the Influenster headquarters, they decide, okay, this person's a good fit, this person's a good fit, that person's not a good fit. Like, they filter out who they want to send this to, and then you'll get an email saying you're in, like you've been approved, you're going to be getting something within the next week or 2. And then it comes to your house, and on the app you can directly upload your review of the product, pictures of you with the product. You can post it on your Instagram. You know, they want you to be really interactive with it, but obviously if you do not like the product, you don't have to review it. This is a super easy way to try out free products. You literally don't have to do anything. The opportunities will come to you, and like I said, you don't have to have a lot of subscribers to do this. I feel like so many people feel limited by their lack of subscribers or lack of followers, but when you think about it, there's so many opportunities out here, and they're not all just for people with millions of subscribers. You know, your opinion and your brand also matters, despite the amount of followers that you have or not. So I would highly recommend, if you are a small YouTube channel and you want to review products and have content to show on your channel, like I could very easily do a video now using this product on one of my curly hair wigs, or using it on my natural hair. I may use this for a twist out tonight, so maybe you guys will see that video tomorrow. But like, it just helps you build your following, as well as give you creative ideas to post on your channel. So, like I said, it is super easy. Sign up for Influenster. I will have all the information in the description box below, the links and everything that you need to go to get started. And I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but I do want to reiterate that you do not have to have millions of followers to get free beauty PR products. You just don't. You just have to know what to do, where to go, how to get it popping, okay? So this is a great tip for my small YouTubers. I know a lot of small YouTubers follow me because, like, we're supporting each other, you know, girls supporting girls. Shout out to Adeline Morin. I love that message because I feel like it's so important in this space to be supportive of other YouTubers, because you know, we're all growing and glowing together, so we got to support each other. So that's why I'm always down to give tips, tell people what to do, give advice, and it doesn't hurt me or my channel at all to give somebody else advice. So if you guys ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me. So if you have any more questions for me about how I've been building my channel and like how I do certain things and how I get my sponsorships, let me know if you guys want more videos like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I love giving these types of tips because there's so many hidden gems on here, and if somebody puts me onto something and it works for me, I obviously got to put y'all on because y'all are my family, you feel me? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 96% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed. I don't know what you guys are doing, but you need to join the 4% of people who are subscribed, okay? Just join the family and turn on your post notifications. Join the notification gang so that you will know the next time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one tomorrow. Bye. Let me get a thumbnail because you guys know how I feel about thumbnails.